Hello everyone, and welcome to my channel. And if you'd like to see how I created these beautiful nails, stay tuned. Okay, so before we get started, if you haven't subscribed to my channel yet, please go down and click the red button and kindly subscribe now. What I have here is a little plastic container that I'm going to use for my little pieces, my gold pieces, and this alcohol ink, and I'm going to also use some glitter. The alcohol ink I have is Tim Holtz in the color Summit View and Cabin Cupboard. I'm just going to pour that in there, and I'm also going to use some orange glitter. And I'm just using regular nail art brushes to apply my arts. So first I'm going to use the yellow color that's in Summit View. And then I'm using the orange color that's in Summit View. And I'm using the medium brown color that's in Cabin Cupboard. And I'm just sprinkling my glitter and my gold SteamPunk pieces in the container as well. First, I'm going to just put droplets of the yellow alcohol ink onto my press-on nails. You just randomly place little droplets around the nails. Don't put too much at one time because it's very thin. As you can see how runny it is when I dip the brush on the side of the plastic container. Next, I'm just going to take some orange and I'm going to do the same thing because I'm using this for fall colors. So I'm going to use the yellow, orange, and brown, typical fall colors. And as you can see, as you drip the little droplets onto the nail, they sort of just mesh together. But it ultimately comes out to a beautiful fall autumn color. Now I'm going in with the medium brown. You could actually use any colors you want, but for fall and autumn, I decided on the yellow, orange, and brown, medium brown. There's a lighter brown in the package, and there's also a darker brown. So after I've done that, I'm going to take my Cuccio Pro T3 LED Versatility Gel. And I'm just going to put the gel in little spots where I want to put my gold SteamPunk pieces. And I have a little wax pencil that I'm picking up my pieces with to apply them to the nails. You can space them out in whichever way you'd like. Now this gel doesn't dry very fast on its own, so you still have time to move the pieces around if you'd like. You can also bend some of the gold pieces a little bit by using the ends of one of your brushes so that it can fit around the arch of the nail. Now I'm just going to dip my smallest brush into the gel and add some of the glitter. Then we're just going to cure it with our LED light for 30 seconds. And this portion is dedicated to the late, great Aretha Franklin. Rest in peace, Aretha. We love you. Now I'm just going to take the gel and cover the entire nail with the gel. And make sure those pieces are covered really well. You want to put a fairly thick coating on it to make sure none of the gold pieces are sticking up out of the gel. Now we're going to give it another 30-second cure with the LED light. Next, I'm just going to take some alcohol and put it on a lint-free pad. And we're going to wipe the stickiness off of the nail that sets onto the nail from the gel. Now I'm going to take my file. This is not a file I generally would be using, but I needed to go to the store and get some new files. Now you just file it down until it's smooth. Any lumps and bumps you just file away. And wipe the dust off from the filing with the alcohol pad. Now you'll take your smoothing block and smooth the nail. And use your alcohol pad again to wipe away the dust. Next, I'm going to take my top coat and apply it to the nails. You can see how shiny it comes out once you put the top coat on it, and how you can see through to the SteamPunk pieces really nicely. And when you have finished putting your top coat on, then you cure it for another 30 seconds in your LED light. And this is the final result. I hope you liked it, and please give this video a big thumbs up. And please come to my channel again, and don't forget to subscribe.